Weber's Genesis 2 LX S440. The stainless steel Weber Genesis 2 LX S440 features 4 stainless steel high burners with high heat settings that produce 52,000 BTUs of power and a 12,000 BTU side burner. The Genesis 2 LXS series gas grill come fully equipped with 7mm stainless steel cooking grates, stainless steel flavorizer bars, and stainless steel heat deflectors to effectively hold and distribute heat evenly over the 646 square inches of cooking grates. The tuck-away, elevations-compatible warming rack provides an additional 198 square inches for a generous 844 square inches of total cooking area. The Genesis 2 LX grills come equipped with a grease management system that makes cleaning up as easy as possible. The stainless steel hood has a center-mounted thermometer to monitor cooking temperatures and has painted cast aluminum caps. The Genesis 2 LXS series grills are iGrill 3 ready, have lighted control knobs, a handle light, and features an LED fuel gauge on propane gas models. The welded tube frame with enclosed cabinet includes 2 shelves inside the cabinet for storage and 2 side shelves, providing much-needed prep space, and 2 heavy-duty locking casters and 2 large wheels. The grill is mostly pre-assembled, allowing you to start grilling right away. The propane tank is stored to the side, freeing up the shelf space under the grill, and has a tank shield that keeps the tank out of view. 3 convenient built-in tools hooks keep your barbecue tools nearby. This review is part of a video where we review the best products of the same category with this product. So if you want to see more similar products to this one, we'll leave a link of that video down in the description so you can check it out. And if you're interested in finding the best price of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description and comment section below.